Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the EVERYUTH Naturals Pure Light Tan Removal Brightening Facial Kit for parlor like brightness. It has chocolate and cherry. So it comes with a 5-step kit which has face wash, scrub, massage cream, face pack and serum. This one retails for 250 rupees and the net weight of this one is 45 grams plus 10 ml. With this we can use at least 2 to 3 facial for sure at home. Visible result from first use itself. So we are going to be trying this out and see how this actually works for my acne prone sensitive combination skin. So a little about EVERYUTH Naturals. EVERYUTH is an Indian brand which I really love. I have used their face packs, face washes before, and none of them have affected my skin or created any problems. So I am gonna try this for the first time. So I am assuming that this is definitely not gonna affect my skin this time also. And if you would want to know what I feel about this particular facial kit, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's just get started with the review. I have a towel with me and also I have a bowl of water with, okay, let me show you what it is, with a sponge like this just to wipe my face. I have not even washed my face, so I'm just gonna wash my face using the brightening lemon and cherry face wash, which is the step number 1. I am gonna use the same sponge to just like wet my face. The face wash says it has, oh my god, this is a little runny. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. I think you can definitely use this for 2 or 3 facials. Okay, so this has lemon and cherry. Also this says it fights tan. I'm just gonna lather this up using my fingers and then go on. This also has micro beads in it, which is not like, very harsh on your skin. The smell is nice. It isn't overpowering. I couldn't smell chocolate or lemon. Yeah, a little bit of cherry smell is all there. I don't think so this lathers up so much because I have less water. I don't think it is lathering up. I have never tried chocolate and cherry before, so I couldn't really say if chocolate suits my skin, but I've heard that chocolate really helps in tan removal. I've not seen any cherry in facial kits. I'm so excited. At the same time, I'm a little nervous because I'm very easily prone to acne, so I'm quite, choosy about the ingredients and everything that I do. So now that I've washed my face using the face wash, I'm just gonna use this sponge and remove the face wash. I'm not gonna go and wash it because I'm very lazy. Let's move on to the second step, which is the scrub. I just have to see where is the scrub. So here I have the scrub with me. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. My skin is already wet. I'm not gonna wet it again. Also, I have the scrub looks nice, meaning it has a very, when I am rubbing it across my fingers, I could feel the scrubbing particles. It's very mild, not too coarse scrub. I'm just gonna go and apply, meaning use it on my face. Yeah, now here I can smell chocolate. very luxurious, very thick as well, and at the same time it's very smooth. It's just a very nicely grinded paste. I love the texture of the massage cream. Now we are up to the fourth step, which is the tan removal pack, which has chocolate and cherry. Detoxifies skin and helps remove tan for face and body. You have to leave this on your face for 15 minutes, which is exactly what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, this is perfect to use it on your face and body. Okay, this also looks like a clay mask. Yeah, clay mask only. I don't know why I took it like this. One thing that I want to tell is, when I was wearing this or having this mask on my face, I could feel that it had a tingling effect on my face, and now I can feel there is a little bit of, what we say, cooling and a tingling, both mixed together. That sort of feeling is what I'm having right now on my face. I'm just gonna remove this. So we have one more step to go, that is the serum. This has chocolate and cherry again, nourishes skin and helps remove tan, and this is specially for your face. Okay, the serum looks like a milky serum. It has a tone, meaning, what do we say that? Okay, something, okay, you get it right. It looks something like this. I'm just gonna apply this on my face. This is not an oil based serum which I am loving as of now. This dries really quickly. It doesn't leave any sticky thing on your face. This looks sticky on camera, but this isn't. This looks oily on the camera. I could see that from here, but it is not. So yeah, that's basically about the facial. So I will have the update if this caused me acne or pimples on the screen. You can take a look at that as well. Also, One thing that I really love about EverYouth is this is suitable for almost all the skin types in India, because this is a Indian made brand. I always feel brands from India are made for the skin type or the climatic situations and conditions right here in India. So that's a good stuff, because all the ingredients are made from here, and the formulation also suits most of the Indian skin compared to any other, like, foreign brands might not suit all Indian skin types. But Lakme, EverYouth, these sort of brands almost suit all of the skin type. That is what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to say this will suit everyone, but this doesn't, like, affect most of the Indian skin tones. So that is my point. Hope you get it. So this basically works on your tan removal and brightens up your skin. Whatever it says tan removal, it means the immediate tan that you are prone to. Okay, it doesn't mean you've had a tan since 6 months, then this is not gonna work for you. If there is an immediate tan, this will work really fine with that. Yeah, so far I really like this product. So if you are interested, you definitely can get your hands on it. This is for 250 rupees, and you can get 2 to 3 facials out of this, which again is a good thing. You're spending very less money at home at your ease. So definitely recommend this one to you, everyone. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of these sort of videos. I will see you guys with another one. Till then, take care. Bye.